Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing great for my side. Yes, as much as. So guys, I said okay, today I ordered my triple stand because the one that I had bought like last year, it got lost. So I said okay, fine. It has been a long time. Oh god, and I did my nails today. I have to show you my nails. Okay, so that's not. And then I said, okay, fine, let me go and order. Normally, I don't go buy at shops, but I'm no. And then I don't know. So I said, okay, let me go online. And then I went to Kilimall where there was cheap. But let me tell you, the way it was looking in a photo, it was something like big, very. I was even contented with whatever I was ordering. Let me tell you, something came like this. I don't know the size. Yeah, it's from Kilimall. So let me unbox it with you guys. Let me put my phone so at least I won't be straining with this phone, so yeah. Let me do that. So let's unbox it with you guys. Very small. Anyway, this is my receipt. Always, that's why I like Kilimall. They give you receipts, they give you whatever. It's my receipt, and it's a delivery note, not a receipt. Hey guys, this thing is so small. Look, this is my second ARHANORY triple stand. I had the smaller one last year, I guess, yeah, but then I upgraded. We are upgrading, slowly by slowly. So I was thinking this thing is very big, but 6-inch. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's unplug it, unbox it, just we're going to unbox it with you guys. I thought it's something big. This is the second with this electronic. Oh god, sorry. With this electronics, this is the second time. I guess I'm being disappointed by ordering online, but it's fine. It was so cheap anyway, so I'm not even complaining about it. It was really cheap. Oh god, I don't think my phone will be. Is it adjustable? Yes, it's adjustable. I thought it could be like this. I think this is a phone holder. And then let me not see miracles. Okay. I guess it has 2 phone holders. At least I've upgraded, right? Is it adjustable? Yeah, you can, but you can close with this one. And this is the ring light, but I guess it's big. Let me tell you something. It's so big. So if you really want to, on a budget, let me tell you something. Unlike the other one was so small. At least I'll be like, hey guys, this is quite big though. You see, it's not that small, but it's it's making sense. And imagine at only how much? Imagine Kenyan money. So, and this is, I guess this is the wait a minute. It doesn't have the oh god, fine. It doesn't have the lockings. Okay, but I've seen it makes sense, so let's do with you. At least you close here. Hey, I'm really happy with this one. At least you close this one. That one is okay. So it was not that big. Imagine. The problem is, wait a minute. No, it's supposed to be like this. May thought something big, but it's fair compared to whatever I bought. And then this. Okay, how am I going to put this here? Okay, let me see in a box. Let me see it on a box. Hey God. Step 4. I've done step 1, 2, 3, but step 4, you know, they don't have that manual, so they have written in a box. So step 4, connect the light at the end of the installation. Oh, so I have to remove this to be like this. Then and then I do like this. Yeah, so how am I okay, how am I going to close it right now? Oh, okay, I've seen it. And it's good to go. And then I guess this is a charger, right? So let's see with you. Let's see it there. Let's see. So let's connect. And I'm trying to connect here so that I can see it through. It's off. Wow. Hello guys. How do you see, guys? Imagine at affordable price, only at Kilimall. I don't know for now, but I put it at, this is for my case, 300. Imagine, very cheap. So you can add light, you can reduce lights, you can add it. Let me add it. Wow. So you can, you can change lights. Look. Okay, if I show you like this, it won't. So let me turn it to myself. So you can turn it like this, and then like this, and then you can click it. Wow, this is amazing. This is magic at a cheap price. This is amazing. So if I want this color, this brightness, no, maybe this one, and then I add slightly lights, and then I'm good to go. So let me do it on off. So the fonts, what have I done? This thing, I put it opposite. Okay, so I have to turn this thing like this. So because I've seen the fonts are on this side, so let's do it practically with the phone, and then we see how it's gonna hold it. So for the fonts, I think I'm really surprised with this thing. You can get it at a cheap price. God, you know the problem with me sometimes, I'm too rough. So I guess I have to put it like this first. Or let me switch it off first. And it's not, that is how it's supposed to be. You see? Guys, when you're looking for something on a budget, go for this. I'm really happy with it, and I'm looking forward to buy the bigger one, but I guess now is okay, and I can really, but with my phone I think it's so heavy, really heavy for this, but I'm okay with it. Let me change the lights. What about that one now? Yeah, I'm fine, and I really appreciate. For meantime, I'm good. So guys, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate for coming back. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and keep coming, okay? Thank you, and thank you, and thank you. Let's see each other on the next video. Thank you.